How to speak perfect English. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In the today video, we are talking about the most of us want to be master. How to speak perfect English. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to improve their skills, I have got you covered. So let's dive into. First thing first, why should we focus on speaking perfect English? Global communication language is English, and being fluent help you connect with the people from all over the world. In your career growth in today's world, English is essential for career enhancement. Whether it's for interviews, presentation, or networking, self-confidence. The most important thing is your self-confidence. You are in the speaking English so that the more opportunities you will find in social, professional, and academic settings. Let's start with the first step, expanding your vocabulary. Reading regularly. Read books, articles, and blogs in English. This will introduce you to new world of expressions. Use a dictionary when you come across unfamiliar words. Look them up directly or indirectly from anywhere. You can make it a habit to learn new words every day. Practice using new words. The more you use new words in sentence, the better you will remember them. Now let's talk about your pronunciation. Even if you know a lot of words, if you pronounce them incorrectly, it can make communication difficult. Listen to the native speakers. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce word. Whether it's through movies, podcasts, or YouTube videos, use online resources. There are many apps and websites like Frovo and Youglish, and that will help you to hear correct pronunciation of words. Practice speaking aloud. Don't be afraid to speak aloud. Even if you make mistake, it's the best way to improve your pronunciation. It's very necessary to learn common phrase and idioms. Another great way to sound more natural in English is by learning common phrases and idioms. Phrases like other short expression used frequently in every conversation. For example, how's it going or what's up? And in the idioms, these are perhaps that don't have to literal meaning, like break the ice or piece of cake. Learning these will help you sound more fluent and natural. Let's talk about the most important tip, practice speaking regularly. Find a speaking partner. Practice speaking with friends, family, or through language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Join English speaking groups, online groups, or local meetups are great for practicing English with others. Speak with confidence. It's really important. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Speak as much you can, even if you are just talking to yourself. Talk to yourself. One of the best way to improve your speaking is by imitating native speakers. And one of the most interesting way is watch movies and TV shows. Pay attention to how characters speak, their tone, expression, and body language. Mimic their speech. Yeah, that's very interesting and joyful. Try repeating sentences or dialogues from movies or interviews. This will help you to get comfortable with the rhythm and flow of natural English. Now, grammar is important, but don't need to overthink it. understand the basics. Focus on understanding and basic rules of grammar like tenses, article, and sentence structure. Practice through writing short essays, diary entries, or even social media posts in English will help you to practice grammar. Don't be afraid of mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes, and grammar will improve you as you keep practicing. Lastly, I remember that learning a language is a gradual process. It can't be in a day. Be consistent, set aside time each day to practice speaking, reading, or listening to English. Be patient. It takes time to become fluent. Celebrate a small process and keep pushing yourself every day. So, this is the way your English speaking skills take time, effort, and consistency. Build your vocabulary, focus on pronunciation, learn common phrase and idioms, practice speaking regularly, imitate native speaker, understand grammar basics, and most importantly, don't give up. Remember, the more you practice, the closer you get to speaking perfect English. Keep learning, and you will surely see improvement. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to send me the comments, and you can ask the question whatever you would like to ask about. And one more thing I forgot, newspaper editorial. That editorial, you must go through it. That's all in this video. Thank you.